Physical literacy is a great foundation for design of indoor facilities and outdoor facilities because it gives you ideas that we commonly don't think of when we're considering facilities that are used for movement. Key ideas come out are things like everybody in your facility should have a level of challenge to your level of ability. That means all people can be included in that space. It also means that you think about the concept of movement intersection. So that means in design, you want people of all ages, all abilities, all cultures to interact. And when that happens, you get people feeling good about other people, accepting them for who they are. And these are critical design concepts that make facilities more than just a physical place, but a place where people can show their movement skills and be accepted for what they do.